User roles are used in Stockpress to control what users can and can't do in your workspace. Things like uploading files, sharing files, downloading files, and more. By default, every workspace comes with a few standard roles: admin, manager, editor, and user, but you can create unlimited custom roles to fit your use case. For example, maybe you want a client role that can view and comment on files, but not upload or download anything from your workspace. All standard roles can upload, download, and share files and collections, but with a few variations. The general user role will only have edit and tagging capability on files and collections they own, meaning they created the collection or they uploaded the files. The editor role is the same as the general user role, but with edit capability. They can edit files and collection names and add tags to any files in the workspace. Managers are a step above editors and can invite users and access the workspace settings. The admin role is the highest level in Stockpress. They can do anything in the workspace: add files, delete files, access reports, track user activity, etc. The standard roles are usually enough for most teams, but if you have a more complex use case, a custom role can be a great way to handle it. Let's create a custom role that has access to my Stockpress workspace, but is not allowed to upload or share any files. From the Users, Roles, and Teams section in your settings, head to Custom Roles. Click Create New Role. First, you need to give your role a clear name that describes its purpose, like Client Reviewer, Freelance Designer, or Marketing Partner. The description is optional, but I find it helps when you're assigning a role to a user because the description displays on the page. This can help you remember what each role is for. Let's click Save and set the role's capability. You'll see a list of actions organized by category: General, Files, and Collections. For each feature listed here, you can toggle it on or off within the section. Some are already enabled by default. You can see full details of what each of these items means in your Help Center. Since I don't want this user role to be able to upload or share, I'll just toggle on and off a few things here. I'll keep sharing off, turn downloading on, image editor, and I'll do the same for the collection section. Okay, let's add a user and assign them to this role. You can add a user from the settings area here, or quickly from anywhere in your workspace by clicking the Invite User menu item in your sidebar. Let's do it there first. We'll add the name and email, select our new user role, uncheck this if we don't want to send an email invite just yet. You can also select Teams here, but we'll go over Teams in another video. Let's look at how to do this in the settings area too. You have a few more options there. Add a new user, fill in the same information. Under the Roles and Teams tab, you can select the role and toggle on the teams. If you need to make any edits to your role or even delete a custom role, you can do that easily by going back to the Custom Roles area, clicking the three-dot menu item to the right of the role's name, and selecting Edit or Delete. You can also simply click the role name to make changes. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Try to keep things simple and not create too many custom roles. As I mentioned before, our 4 default roles are usually enough, plus 1 or 2 custom roles for specific cases. Make sure to name your roles clearly with the function, not the person. For example, Marketing Partner instead of Matt's role. With a little setup, you can control exactly who can see, edit, or manage content in your workspace, keeping everything secure, organized, and easy for your team to use and for you to manage.